Hello everybody, welcome to the Aosite booth at 49 China International Furniture Fair. Today I'm gonna to show you our fair show for you. Come here. Look at here, come here. We have two kinds of mantle box. Let me show you our slim box first. This one is our slim box with 199mm height. This one 180mm height. This lower one 86mm height. There's another one tandem box. Tandem box with the two bars design. 199mm high, that one. This one is 135mm high with the one bar design. Here's the lower one, 84mm high. The mantel balls, we also can make the design like that in the box. Here is the tandem box with the square bars, the tandem box with the round bars. Here's the lower tandem box. This one is the slim box, lower one. Okay, so we go to the next part, undermount drawer slide. Come here again. The second part is undermount drawer slide. We have a single extension, soft closing, undermount drawer slide. Full extension, soft closing, undermount drawer slide. This one is full extension, push open drawer slide. All of these undermount drawer slide came with the 1D and 3D adjustable handle locking device. Come here, you can see this one is our full extension soft closing undermount drawer slide show in the cabinet. You can feel it. This one is a single extension soft closing undermount slide. Our single extension, not like a standard one, only have a half space. We have more space, like a 3/4. It's more space and more convenient for using in the cabinet. Come here is a push open. It comes out when you push. Okay, next part I'm gonna to show you our hinges. Come here. This is our wholesale items. Here is some our wholesale hinges and our new item. This is a new item for the 35 cup, but it can cover, the cover screw can cover 26mm thick door thickness. This one is a 3D adjustable hinges. Here you can update the up and down 2mm. Here you can go to adjustable right and left. You can see that. This is a cover space can be 0 to 7mm. Let me show you how to use in the cabinet. Now I'm going to show you our hinges using in the cabinet. This is a two-way hinges. It can be free store from the 110° to 90° free store. And 45° will be soft closing. This is a one-way soft closing hinges. With the soft closing, this is our new item for the cover is a 35 cup, but it can cover the door thickness over 26mm, but it's still 35 cup. Normally using 40 cup to using the thick door thickness door, but now we can using this new item to instead of that soft closing one. Okay, now I'm going to show you our gas spring. Coming this way, I would like to introduce our gas spring for you. Item number C18 and C20. They both with the damper designs. We have two colors for them. The damper one is free store soft arc gas spring. I would like to show you in the cabinet how they used. This one is the damper design gas spring. When you close the door, will be with soft closing. Let me try again. Close the door with soft closing. The another one is the freestyle sofa gas spring. It can be stored at anywhere as you want. With soft closing when you close the door. The next part is the ball bearing slide. We have two types for the soft closing ball bearing slide. One is the single spring design. You can check here. Only one spring with the soft closing. The another one is the double spring design. Double spring design is more stable and quiet with the soft closing. The double spring design more better. The last one is with the push open design. When you click here, we'll be pushing out. Push open damper. All of them can pass 50,000 open and closing text. This is a push open cabinet.